Win the deal, but lose the margin. That's not a business, that's a warning sign.
When infrastructure means cheapest box, every deal becomes a price war.
Time to shift the conversation. KS Series gives you a platform, not another SKU.
One flexible node that fits almost every customer, VMs, VDI, AIML, databases, and more.
Start small. Grow steadily. KS gives you natural expansions your customers come back for.
Compute, GPU acceleration, NVMe performance, all in a single solution, not a commodity box. And with built-in protection, customers stay safe, meaning fewer emergency calls to you.
You're not selling hardware, and you're building long-term roadmaps.